Yeah, just her, please.
Just
Okay.
yeah.
Take a seat.
Is that I'm her husband?
We'll be with you in a few minutes.
Yeah.
We'll be with you in a few minutes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Devin, Civil Services Director on board. This is Eliseo.
Okay.
So I'm Officer Roscoe with the QS Police Department. This is Officer Betts.
Okay.
So, pretty sure you know why we're here.
I'm only assuming that it's because somebody I was with sprayed an employee.
Okay.
That's all it is.
So, right now you're not under arrest, but obviously you're not free to leave. So before we go any further, I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Oh my God.
You're not under arrest, like I said. It's just...
Because you understand we're on a ship,
Yep.
that
Okay.
you can't leave freely anyhow. So in order to interview you, we just have to do it.
Yep. It's...
We're
it's the law.
investigating. That's all we're doing.
You said that somebody that was with you
Yeah, it was
sprayed.
not. It was not me.
Sprayed. Who is that someone?
Go ahead. You can...
I only know her first name. Her name is Anita or Anna. I know her by Anita.
Is she staying with you?
She's in the same group that we're with.
Okay.
I don't know her last name. Like I said, I just met her. This is the second time I meet her.
So, like I said, not under arrest. Just right now you're not free to leave. So before I can ask you anything, I have to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Okay.
So, walk me through what happened.
We went to the restroom. Her and I went together with another group of
No, this is...
yesterday
Anita?
night. Anita.
Okay.
So we walked to the restroom together. I go into the restroom. I use the restroom. I come out. Anita starts talking to me. Next thing I know, she sees somebody who works there. I don't know if it was a server or somebody else, but it was an employee. She gets down. There's a janitorial kit on the floor. She gets down. She picks up the bottle, and she sprays her in the face.
Anita.
Yes. All I know is that I told her, we're going to get in trouble. Like, I apologize to the employee. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm like, we're going to get in trouble. Let's just go. And then we walked to where the rest of the party was at.
Okay. So you didn't see anything prior to Anita spraying the crew member in the face with the chemical?
I was in the bathroom. I came out. I don't remember seeing anything. I mean, I was drinking,
Did you see
so-
her spray her?
I did.
You did? Okay. So, do you know why we're here?
No,
No clue whatsoever?
my friend now told me that I don't know what's happening.
Okay. So, right now you're not under arrest or anything like that, but you're not free to leave. So before we go any further, like I said, you're not under arrest right now, okay? I have to read you your Miranda rights before I can ask you any questions or talk to you any further, okay?
I need
Would you like water?
Spanish.
You see somebody speak Spanish?
Yeah, Spanish, yes.
Please, no.
You're not
What's
under-
happened? No,
I'll explain everything to you, but I have to read you this first, okay?
but what's happened with the police? I don't know.
I'll explain everything in just a couple of minutes, okay? You said you wanted someone that speaks Spanish, so they're going to get someone that speaks Spanish to translate. Okay?
Okay. No.
Okay. Was she out on the ship last night on the second deck, right? Was where it happened? Deck 2?
Deck 6.
Deck 6? About midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning?
¿Qué estaba haciendo ayer? Usted estaba afuera en el piso 6, ayer como a la 1 de la mañana. ¿Qué fue lo que usted estaba haciendo alrededor de esa hora?
Estábamos en la discoteca.
En la discoteca, en el piso 6, la que tiene muchas luces. She said like she doesn't remember very well, but they went to the manor on deck 6, like on the discotheque.
Did anything happen while she was there?
¿Pasó algo cuando usted estaba ahí? ¿No?
Estábamos bailando.
She said no, nothing. They were dancing only.
Dancing, who's she with?
Ana, su nombre completo, Ana.
During questioning, another officer presented the victim with a photo lineup who then positively identified the suspect as the person who sprayed her.
No, es su número de cumpleaños, no se preocupe. No.
Who is that? Ask her who that is.
¿Quién es ella?
Eso soy yo.
That's her. She said that's me.
Okay.
That's the probability.
Compared to the other two, which were 0.
Okay. And then
the other stuff.
and then the
Gabriella, explain to her the seriousness of the issue, and honesty is her best choice here, because everything's on video, and it only makes it worse if she tries to cover up a mistake.
Okay.
Okay?
Me comenta que el compañero que lo que pasó fue algo muy serio, que dice que si, de acuerdo a las cámaras que muestran que usted vio lo que pasó, lo que sucedió, que si usted sabe algo, si...
Yeah, but I want to ask her a couple more questions before.
Okay. She said she...
So nothing happened.
She said she doesn't know anything, that she
So
doesn't remember
there wasn't,
anything.
she didn't pick up a bottle and spray it, like a spray bottle, a chemical bottle?
Usted
Because
no-
I have witnesses that said she did.
Ok. Le preguntan si no se acuerda que usted había una botella de químicos y que usted...
Honesty is
Y se
it
la
goes a long
tomé.
way.
No, y se
Me la
la
tomé.
roció a las otras, a una persona en particular, que hay testigos que dicen que usted hizo eso. ¿Es cierto?
No, yo no me acuerdo. Lo juro por mis dos bebés. Yo no me acuerdo. ¿Una botella de qué? ¿De alcohol?
De químicos. Químicos que pueden ser peligrosos para cualquier persona y se la roció a alguien
No.
más. No se acuerda.
No.
Just ask her what Francis told her.
Lo que pasa es que hay testigos que dicen que la vieron haciendo eso, que señalaron que usted...
So why would we have people telling us that she did it and identify her as the person that picked up the bottle and sprayed the crew member in the face? Why? We'll give her a chance.
Para mí no
She's going.
pasó. I don't remember. You can put
So she doesn't remember.
She doesn't remember anything.
Was she that intoxicated that she blacked out and doesn't remember?
¿Estaba tomada?
Yo estaba tomada.
Muy
It's not an
tomada.
excuse, but I'm just for curiosity.
She said she was drunk. That
Okay,
she
stand up.
doesn't remember.
I'm done. Come on, stand up.
Let her know she's being arrested for aggravated.
No.
No, put your hand.
Don't make
Tell
it
her to
worse.
put her hands behind her back. Don't resist us.
No, por favor. No, por favor.
Don't
Let
tell
me-
her because she's gonna wind up.
Okay.
She's getting up on the ground and hurting. Put your hands behind her back.
No.
Okay.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué hice?
No mueve.
No, no. Okay.
No mueve.
Okay. Pero what I do? What I do?
Tell her she sprayed one of the crew members
In the
with
face.
chemical that the crew member is now going to the
And I have
hospital.
two witnesses.
I don't do that, nothing.
en un tripulante en los ojos.
No.
Cuando estaba en el baño del...
No, I don't do that.
Two
I
people,
don't do that.
two people said you did it,
No,
and the crew member picked you out
no, I don't do that.
from the photo.
No, I don't do that. I don't do that.
Well,
Sir, I don't do
I've
that.
got three people that said you did.
Can I
And you,
see-
look, stop. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, so you do speak English.
No, I speak English.
You understand it,
not
right?
to- no, I
So
don't.
here's what happened. Your day in court will happen, and if you didn't do it, fight in court, but you go to
What
jail.
happened? What happened?
Van a ir a corte para porque hubo gente que dijo que usted le roció
Yo no hice
amigos,
nada.
los
I don't do
que
that.
vino.
Column
I
17,
have-
1015.
I have to keep.
Pen.
I don't do that.
Well, maybe the alcohol did, but that was from your body.
I don't do that. I don't do that, sir.
Two people who were there.
Can
Well,
I
how-
see the people? I don't do that.
You want to see the people?
¿Cuál es la
She said you did it,
No,
and she said you did it.
no, I
Your
don't
friends.
do that. No, I don't do that.
Your friends.
I don't do that.
Your friend said you're the one that did it.
Yo no lo
The
hice.
girl that got sprayed, you're the one that did it.
No,
Yeah.
yo no lo hice.
You just said that you were so drunk you don't know.
No,
So how can you tell me?
I
Let's
don't.
go.
I don't.
Does she?
Yo
Does
no
she
lo
have her? Ask her like driver's
Is
license.
she here with somebody?
Tiene su teléfono y su documento.
Okay, so they can
My
take care of her
husband,
property.
mi
Yes.
esposo está aquí. Pueden
We'll
decirle
talk
lo
to
que
you. We'll
pasó.
tell her we'll let her husband know she's
Ay,
going to jail.
decirle lo que pasó.
Le vamos a informar a su marido. No se
Yo no lo
preocupe.
hice.
I don't understand. I
Esto
don't
es
look. You don't understand. You don't speak
illegal.
English. You don't
No.
speak English. I don't speak Spanish. So
Okay.
if you talk to her, she can tell me.
Yo no lo hice. Me están haciendo esto una cosa que yo no hice.
But she did just a
She
minute.
said she didn't do it. That
Okay. Well, she
no lo
should
hice.
let her know. I've got three people that said she did. Three
No.
witnesses that said she did.
No.
She'll get her day in court and she can plead her case to the judge.
Okay.
End of it.
Yo
She's
no
going to
lo
jail.
hice.
Tres personas, ella te está diciendo, tenemos tres personas que vieron lo que pasó. ¿vale? Y eso, entonces usted lo puede explicar en la cara.
Yo no lo hice.
We need to get in touch with her husband. Does she have? I need her driver's license, and if she
Mi
wants to take her,
esposo, yo no lo hice. My husband,
we're gonna talk to.
¿Conducir o pasaporte? ¿Con usted?
aquí no.
En la cabina.
Sí.
¿Tiene
Yo
pasaporte?
no lo hice, no tengo
Okay,
pasaporte.
so let's do.
Does she have her ID now?
No, nothing. That's what I'm saying.
Don't do that.
So
Yo no
We'll
lo
get out of the
hice.
car. We'll get.
Yo
the
no lo
ID,
hice.
and we'll get out of here.
this one.
Yo no lo hice. Yo no lo hice. I don't do that anything.
No, someone else is there, so they're gonna go up and get it.
I don't do that.
Well, you're saying you didn't do it, but then you say you're so drunk. You were so drunk that you don't remember.
No,
So
I don't do that. I don't do that.
You still smell it. Too
yeah, I can literally smell the alcohol.
much to drink.
No. I don't do that. I don't do that. It's fine? It's fine, okay.
They know.
Okay, copy.
Enjoy the cruise, folks.
Say nothing. Why you do that for me, sir? Why? I don't do that, sir.
I've already explained it. I have 3 people that saw you do it,
No, who?
and the person that you sprayed is in the hospital.
Who?
Doesn't matter who. They were able to
But it's
identify
not,
you.
it's not true.
Well-
It's not. Sir, I don't do that. Who is the person say this?
That'll all be in. That'll all be in the police report.
No. I need to see my husband.
Nope. Do you have
Nothing.
no underwear?
Yes.
Okay.
underwear.
Do you have anything on you? Any drugs, weapons?
No.
Okay. All right. Step in.
You have to get her ID. I got her phone.
Lean back. Lean back.
And
Hey.
I don't do that, sir. I'm a good person. I have to
Scoot that way. Scoot. There you
Phone
go.
and the photos are there.
I'm a good person. I'm a good mom.
sorry?
Well, good people
Listen,
make bad mistakes.
Anna, here's the reality. Okay?
I don't do
Last
Turn.
night you had right? You sprayed a young lady with chemicals. Okay, it's not a whether you did or didn't. Unprovoked, no less. And for no reason, you sprayed her. And she's going to the hospital, and hopefully she'll have eyesight. This is very serious. For whatever reason, the alcohol made you do something bad. Since you don't remember, it must be that. But alcohol, being drunk is not an excuse for doing what you did to that young lady. Because she's messed up over this. And hopefully her eyesight's good. Okay? Yes. Both the girls you're with finally told us the truth, and she picked you out of those photos from the camera, wearing the same dress, the same hair, everything. And she's like, I don't know why. About 1 o'clock in the morning, before you went back. Yes. And remember, listen, Anna, listen. When you do something, they trace you over the ship via the camera system the whole way around. And they can tell you where and where they went. And the woman that looks identically like you went to your cabin and came out as you this morning. It's 100%.
Well, and she even identified herself in the photo.
Right.
But I don't spray any so bad.
what you did. Okay?
Sí,
It's possible. You just, maybe you don't remember because you're blackout drunk. Okay? So you'll have your day in court and your chance to tell the judge what happened. And if you didn't remember what happened, that's fine.
but we
You
have
let 'em
court
know.
today.
Not today.
We can see my kids.
You see the judge in the morning, tomorrow. You're not going back on the ship. You're spending the night in jail here. It's a felony. The judge will set a bond, and then you'll have to bond out. Okay? It's a very serious crime.